Hey guys, what's going on? This is Eric Garcia for Mobile Game Development, term 1504. In this video, I would like to present to you my plane runner in the beta state. I got my iPhone running on the air server here, so we can go ahead and get it running. We can show you that it's up and working good. So I've created a landing page, if you will. I want to create where I have multiple levels that you can obviously go through, but at this point there's only one level. If you hit play, it'll show this. I have the physics up and running, so you can see these blue lines is actually the distance. So every time it passes one of these, it increases the distance label per whatever meter it is. I will show you the pause button. I have it here. I still have to add the icon, but it is functioning correctly. I'll go ahead and show you that now. We can restart the game. Flying. Press the pause button. Everything pauses. Press it again. You can continue right where you left off. So that is the game running on the iPhone. I'll get the iPad up on the air server here. I disconnect this one. I can connect the iPad. Move that over here. Get rid of that. We'll run the plane runner again. Most of it scales up as an older iPad, so it doesn't quite use the 3x, but I'll show you in a second that I have all the assets. Also, when passing the distance, it shows a little sound here if you can hear it. It's a casino sound, if you will, but let's see if you can hear it again. There we go. So everything works on the iPad as well. As far as what I found most valuable this month, or this week rather, is I don't know, hard to say. Most of the documentation within the assignments were pretty good. It was just a matter of implementing things myself. What I found most challenging was actually I was trying to break out a lot of the stuff, because right now the entire level plane and everything is created in the level 1 game scene. And I was trying to break out, the plane and a lot of the other stuff in the HUD, but for some reason I couldn't get it fully broken out to be able to create them as objects, so I could do it individually within each level rather than having to recreate or copy and paste like all this within a new level and just set out a different layout. So that was kind of basically what was most challenging, and what I would have done differently. I would have tried to implement that actually. What could have used more clarification for me was probably the pause aspect. I mean, it wasn't too hard to find and get going, but it wasn't quite explained how to achieve that. Other than that, it's been a great week. The game is coming along well. Look forward to trying to wrap it up this next week and put the final touches on it. With that, it's been a great week. Good night.